Our last speaker will be Todd Zakreski. Todd is president of Waukesha-based HUSCO Automotive, a manufacturer of high-performance hydraulic and electromechanical components. Todd's led the company since 2007, and he has overseen a 10x increase in revenue for the company's automotive business. Please welcome Todd.
All right, thank you, Arthur. I think most of you in this room have probably heard of HUSCO. If you haven't heard of us as a manufacturer, you certainly have probably heard of us via our partnership with our owners, the Ramirez family, in making education in Milwaukee a much better situation. So I do want to touch on a little bit about HUSCO, and we are a global manufacturer. We have facilities in India and China and Europe, and 3 facilities in the US, 2 of them here in Wisconsin. What do we manufacture? Well, we manufacture electromagnetic and electrohydraulic controls, systems and valves that control flow and motion for the off-highway market and for the automotive market. A lot of the product that we make for off-highway goes to customers like Caterpillar and John Deere, and Hyster-Yale forklift trucks, Case New Holland, Bechtel loaders. On the automotive side of the business, our customers are Ford, GM, Stellantis, Subaru, Volkswagen. Fun fact is that we're on every Ford gasoline engine, so if you have a hybrid or if you have a gasoline engine for Ford, the parts are made right here in Waukesha. One of the things I wanted to talk about today and try to share some insight with you is really around our automation and our advanced manufacturing group. And it was about 10 years ago when we really started to think about what is it that we need to do to grow our business to really win more opportunities. And the greatest source of data for that really comes from those opportunities and those programs that you didn't win. And when you specifically dig into that and you ask your customers, you know, why did we not win this program? And there's lots of variables that go into, and we got lots of different comments. It was never around product innovation. Our product, and what we've done for years at HUSCO, we have invested tons of money in our really talented people to design exceptional technology and product. But what we did hear constantly was that your capital and your investment was too high. And that was something that we just saw repeated time and time again. And so we took a step back and asked ourselves, well, okay, there's lots of variables that go into that too, right? Maybe we design are too complicated, maybe there's something else going on. But probably one of the most important aspects was, geez, how could we get our capital and spend less money there that we can pass on to our customers and really provide them with the same quality, the same delivery, the same excellence in product, but at a lower cost from a capital solution. And we were able to, we did the math, we ran the numbers, we put the business plan together and really looked at that and said, we can make our own automation. We have the capability in-house already. We have hydraulics engineers, we have electromagnetic engineers. Let's try this. So we started small. We started by really going into small, simple, very basic test stands. And we found this is really good. We're doing a really good job. We're saving a lot of money. We're able to pass that on in terms of economics for our customers. And it really was game-changing for us. And we said, we need to do more of this. So we continued to grow that organization. We did more complicated test stands. We started to get into assembly operations. We really started to do a lot more. And then we really found ourselves in a position where we could do just about all of our automation. At this point in time, we now can do all of it. But we also looked at it from a standpoint of saying, hey, we have an opportunity here. I was getting involved in the WMEP, and it was really exciting to see a lot of small and medium-sized manufacturers who really hadn't embraced automation yet. And so we talked internally and said, let's fill in some of this business with some outside business. Let's help some of the small manufacturers. Let's be an integrator for them. Let's go in and look at some of the challenges that they have in their operations and really see if we can come up with some of the clever ideas that we've deployed on our floor and really start to put them into action in some of the small manufacturers. So it was really a story of listening to our customers, understanding where we needed to make improvements, determined that because we're spending anywhere between $3 million and $15 million on each line that we put on the floor, if we can save 25% by doing it ourselves, all in, versus the previous state, which was purchasing all of this equipment from the outside, we can make a pretty impactful story for our customers. So with that, I just wanted to show you a few pictures of some of the automation that our team has made. Practically all of our lines at HUSCO are fully automated. You might find interesting the top one on the left is actually a transmission valve line, fully automated, no people. And it basically, a person will just come in and load a tray into it, and it will automatically feed, build, test the product. And funny enough, that's at our facility in China. It is not in the facility here in Waukesha. And with that, I will pass it back to Arthur. Thank you.